Part 1. Introduction. Welcome to Debt-Free Dreams, where we help you build wealth while staying secure in the digital world. Today, I'm tackling one of the most important topics for every crypto investor: how to protect your crypto from hackers. In this video, you'll learn the best practices to safeguard your digital assets, the tools you need to fortify your security, and the mistakes you absolutely must avoid. Stick around to the end because I'll share some advanced tips to make your crypto wallet nearly unhackable. Check the description below for links to helpful tools. Let's dive in and protect what's yours. Part 2. Why hackers target crypto. Cryptocurrency is decentralized, meaning no banks or intermediaries are involved. While that's great for freedom, it also makes crypto a prime target for hackers. In 2023 alone, billions of dollars in crypto were stolen through phishing attacks, exchange breaches, and wallet vulnerabilities. Hackers prey on weak passwords and poor security practices, outdated wallets or software, users unaware of phishing and scam tactics. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll have the tools and knowledge to stay one step ahead. Part 3. Essential security practices. 1. Use a hardware wallet. Hardware wallets like Ellipal and SafePal are the safest way to store your crypto because they keep your private keys offline. Unlike hot wallets, these devices are immune to online hacking attempts. Always buy hardware wallets directly from the manufacturer to avoid tampered devices. 2. Enable two-factor authentication. Activate two-factor authentication on all your crypto accounts, including exchanges like Bybit. Use apps like Google Authenticator or Authy instead of SMS-based two-factor authentication, which is vulnerable to SIM swap attacks. 3. Use strong, unique passwords. Your passwords should be at least 12 characters long and include uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and symbols. Use a password manager like LastPass or Dashlane to create and store complex passwords securely. 4. Regularly update software and firmware. Whether it's your hardware wallet, trading app, or operating system, outdated software is a hacker's dream. Check for updates frequently and enable automatic updates when available. 5. Avoid public Wi-Fi. Never access your crypto accounts on public Wi-Fi. Hackers can intercept your connection and steal your credentials. Use a virtual private network VPN to encrypt your internet activity if you must connect on the go. Part 4. Tools to protect your crypto. 1. Ellipal and SafePal hardware wallets. Why it's useful? They store your private keys offline, making it nearly impossible for hackers to access your crypto. Best for long-term investors and anyone holding significant amounts of crypto. 2. CoinStats portfolio tracker. Why it's useful? Keeps your crypto portfolio organized without compromising your security. 3. TradingView. Why it's useful? While primarily a charting platform, TradingView integrates with secure exchanges to ensure safe trading. 4. Bybit Exchange. Why it's useful? Offers advanced security features like withdrawal, whitelisting, and cold storage for funds. 5. Glassnode for monitoring activity. Why it's useful? Use on-chain analytics to detect unusual activity or large wallet movements, which might indicate market manipulation. Links to these tools are in the description for your convenience. Part 5. Common crypto scams and how to avoid them. 1. Phishing attacks. What it is: fake emails or websites designed to steal your credentials. How to avoid: always double-check URLs and never click on suspicious links. Bookmark official sites to avoid imposters. 2. Fake wallet apps. What it is: malware disguised as crypto wallet apps. How to avoid: only download wallet apps from verified sources like the App Store or Google Play Store. 3. Social media scams. What it is: scammers pretending to be influencers or support agents. How to avoid: never share your private keys or recovery phrases with anyone. 4. Rug pulls and scam projects. What it is: fraudulent crypto projects that disappear after raising funds. How to avoid: do your research. Check the project's team, white paper, and community before investing. Part 6. Advanced security tips. 1. Use multi-signature wallets. Multi-signature wallets require multiple approvals to complete a transaction, adding an extra layer of protection. 2. Store recovery phrases securely. Write down your recovery phrases and store them in a fireproof, waterproof safe. Never save them digitally on your phone or computer. 3. Use cold storage for large holdings. Move long-term holdings to a hardware wallet or paper wallet store in a secure location. 4. Whitelist wallet addresses on exchanges like Bybit. Enable withdrawal whitelisting so funds can only be sent to pre-approved addresses. There you have it, everything you need to protect your crypto from hackers. By following these tips and using the right tools, you can safeguard your assets and trade with peace of mind. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to check the description below for links to helpful tools. Please hit the like button, subscribe to Debt Free Dreams, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss valuable content.